What a fucking idiot!
Quick reply affects your concentration and makes you less able to react to hazards. If you use a mobile phone while driving, you're 4 times more likely to crash. Think. Put your phone away.
If you use a phone while you're driving, you're 4 times more stupid than anyone else. So if you do crash, the world's not going to miss you because you're an idiot. Oh, look at that. Look at what good timing was that. What fucking legend. Wow. We're just talking about stupid people on their phone and this prick behind. Wow. Oh no! Oh, what a dick. Here's a BMW driver! Woo! I don't know, I really didn't care. I didn't think about things like that.
No.
That was a red light, wasn't it? No! Oh, Alexi!
Good night.
I know. Oh, come on, man. Come the fuck on. You see me, you looked at me, you did it. People, attention please. If you're a driver on planet Earth, because some of these people are from different planets, I swear. If you're in your car, yeah, just if you need to pull out of if you really have an uncontrollable urge to pull out in front of someone, the minimum you should do is fucking speed up. You gotta be special, haven't you, to pull out in front of someone and then poodle along at 10 miles an hour and then decide to put your hoof down. There's something, I don't know, yeah. You have to be pretty special to pull out in front of someone and not bother speeding up like a lemon. Rant over.
But he was like, you said, oh, I'm gonna, why are they ringing their bells at you?
Because they're on the path, they wanted to cross, they got upset because I didn't let them, so they ding 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 ding, look at me, I'm a fucking cyclist. Probably nothing.
You're like 4 places away, aren't you? What on earth was that?
I have no idea.
Go over the bump?
I have
like
no idea, Alexi. I was going to pull in this space to let him through. Because he was already stopped. I don't know why he did. Thank you, by the way, thank you.
Why didn't he just drive over the bumps?
Why did he do that?
I don't know.
What an absolute, gorilla.
A gorilla?
It's one step up above an ape, innit? I've been told not to call people apes, so...
Why?
I have no idea. So he's a gorilla now. Can we get some incompetence, please? Right, is there anything coming after that blue car? There's not, is there?
No, you're good. Go. You're still good. Quickly. There's something coming. Go.
How in the fuck did he see where he was going in that big truck? I'm hoping that would have been shown on camera, but that window was 100% steamed up. I'm now wondering how he was... Oh, hello. How the fuck did he see where he was going?
I am accepting no responsibility for how you feel tomorrow, but yes, a huge
let's evaluate. You're parked on the wrong side of the road, okay? You're parked on an island, okay? You're parked on a bend, okay? You are parked with your lights blinding everybody that drives towards you, okay? Now, are you special? Are you actually, is there something wrong with you? Do you need help? Because that's not normal. That's not a normal thing to do. Considering you could have done the exact same thing on the correct side of the road. Good luck, yeah? Good luck, my friend, rejoining the traffic, because that's just going to be pink. I would love to stick around and watch you rejoin the flow of traffic, because it would amuse me watching you do that. You absolute clown. This road may go on for a little bit, but I wonder how far it gets before it realises that its lights are actually off. It's obviously having trouble seeing. Turn your lights on, you knobhead. Look, I'll flash you. Flash, 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 flash. Lights. See if he gets a message. Whoa, hello, turn your lights on. I'm going to flash you once more if you don't get the message then. Nah, fuck it. Can't be bothered. Cannot be bothered. Good luck, because that road gets very dark in a minute. You try helping people, don't you? But if they don't help themselves, there's not really much else you can do. I did my bit. I tried my best. Talking to you. Do you want a surprise?
No! What are you doing, you psychopath?
I was trying to communicate with the cat.
It can't hear you!
Yeah, I was trying.
Jesus Christ, man!
Did you have me beat the horn at him?
Yeah! Scream right off like that.
Alright, let's try again. Let's try again.
Jesus.
Shush. We try again. Beep, beep.
Oh, that's better. You made me jump a mile. It's such a tiny little car, isn't it?
It's one of them cars you buy just to drive, not because you enjoy driving, because you hate driving, and you need to buy this cheapest, nastiest piece of shit you can ever find. You know what? I think I've had enough, to be honest. I have had enough, to be honest, Alexei. He's done the same as well, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Got it wrong again. Uh-oh. Wow. I can't see what's coming. You probably can in the camera, but I couldn't see it. Oh, fuck. What a knobhead. Taxi drivers in Bristol are knobheads.
What on earth was that?
I was going to hold my breath. Please don't do this. Please don't block both lanes while you're trying to park on the wrong side of the road. It's just stupid. It's stupid. Oh, I have no idea. I literally got no idea.
Welcome to GiveGov's voicemail.
Ah! That was a very small looking bus. Actually, no, we're going to go back. We're going to do a massive rewind session, and we're going to thank that bus driver, because usually any other bus driver in Bristol would just pull out in front of you, regardless if you're there or not. They'll just force their way out into the road. So, good bus driver. Good bus driver. Even though you're driving a very small bus, you are in fact a very good bus driver. Thank you. What the fuck are you doing, man? Jesus Christ! Whoa! One brake light. Ah. Move.
Is that seriously just stopped in the middle of the road?
Well, there's no parking spaces, is there, Alexei?
There's freaking plenty.
Where? I didn't see none.
There.
Let's just wait.
Um,
Take your time as well, man. Take your time. No rush. I'm debating whether or not to put music or slow music or sad music or
slow music.
slow music.
Slow music.
Slow plodding along music, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, here we go.
You have some.
There's a curb there, dude. Curb. I brought some Pringles. Get your hands out. Get your hands out. Get your hands out.
Right.
Get your hands out. Ready?
Right,
Ready?
right.
Get your hands out.
Let me get your hands out.
No, just you.
Oh.
Clap. Thank you.
They're not even in there.
I know.
Take the next left onto Cuts Heath Road. Continue on Cuts Heath Road for 1 mile.
This isn't a road, Google. This is like a path in it for pedestrians. This is no road, you silly woman!
Turn left to stay on Cuts Heath Road.
Right. Does anybody actually know? This is like a genuine question now. Does anyone know if there is a way to stop her from taking me down stupid little roads like that? I want to stay on the big roads, okay? Me like big roads. Is there a way to stop her from taking me on those stupid little roads? I've worked out how to stop her from taking me on toll roads, yeah, and stuff like that, and paved
Take
roads.
the next left to stay on Cuts Heath Road.
And to stop going over bridges you've got to pay for. But is there a way to stop her from taking me down stupid little lanes like that? Please let me know in the comments. I need your help. Ah, thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Whoa! What a fucking idiot. What a fucking idiot. Sorry, I got distracted by a fucking idiot.
You alright?
Yeah.
Copper's jelly in my logo.
A fucking copper just drove in the middle of the road at me for knows what reason.
Oh god.
Like I said,
Where are
what
you
a
to, Dad?
fucking idiot. I'm by Broad Walk, so I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Well, I'll just get David's shoes on and I'm done.
Alright,
So just push it out.
yeah.
Bye bye.
Ciao. Right, now that she's gone, let's evaluate. You little fucking pork bacon munching fucking dickhead. What the fuck is wrong with you? I understand, oh yeah, you need to get to an emergency quickly, but was there any fucking need to do that? Was there any need to come over this side of the road, just drive straight down the fucking middle of the thing? There was no need for that, was there, you little prick? Dickhead. I'm not against the police, yeah? I'm not like anti-police. Some of them irritate the fucking life out of me, the stupid things they do. Example, this fucking plonker. Ooh, editor, good luck. Good luck beeping all this out. What a prick. Fucking self-entitled little pork pie.